Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another double dip because I love to play with them lately, and they are easy, really easy to do if you want to play even with your grandkids. I did one with my almost 5-year-old granddaughter and she did great. So definitely you can do something like that with your grandkids too, because it's easy and they like it because it's, you know, when you reveal the painting at the end, they are so surprised that they created something like that. So yeah, but today I will try to do it a little differently than I do normally. I normally do a background and then flowers on top, but this time I will add green and and press it once, and then I will to create kind of a background, or how can I say, and then I will go over with some more green and with some flowers. This is my plan for today. We will see how this will work out. You know, with fluid art is always like that. You do something and then you think, oh, what if I do it like that? And you just keep on going. So yeah, speaking of that, check the description box if you want to come to my exhibition in New Hope, Pennsylvania in 2 weeks. Looking forward to it. So yeah, check the description box. So I will just drizzle from up high little dots of green on both canvases. This is olive green light deep, and I will go with olive green light too. Like that, and I will press those two together, spread them apart, and then I will continue with that, you know. So this will be not a big difference. So yeah, so let's see. We'll just go with it. So I will drizzle some of the dark green, and as I said, less is more here. Don't try not to add too much color paint on, because it doesn't work well with too much. Not doesn't work well, it's just, you know, different looking. So if you want that kind of look, don't add too much paint, but you can definitely play with it. Try to add more or less, see the difference, just your preference, you know. And I have those Bordeaux and gold colors that I use lately, so I will just go with those. So this is Bordeaux red, just some drips on the canvases, and I have Pyrrole red, whoop. The consistency, you can play with it, you know, you can go with thinner, thicker. It will make you a little different results, and you can decide which one you like more. It's not that it has to be in this consistency to work. This is gold, and I will drop a little bit of cyan blue here and there, just to add a little something. Okay, I will add just a little more of my white here, because I can see my canvas through. Okie doke, so I will just torch it before I add them. So I believe that my first addition with green was not anything, you know, didn't add anything to the painting. I think we will see. Am I even in frame with that? I am. So let's slowly spread them apart. Yay, like it. Definitely more green. But I do like it. Let me just turn it around that I can see them two in the right orientation. I like it. As I said, I don't see a lot of the difference with the green that I did at first, so not something that I thought that it will be a little different, but if you don't try, you don't know. I like to say that a lot with fluid art, because you can imagine what will happen, but you never know. Want to blend this in a little bit. Okay. I'm kind of tempted to add a little more of the blue and do it again. Do you think? No, let's leave it. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here she's dry. I kind of like the ones with less paint on the canvas more, but not mad at this one at all. This gold gives really beautiful addition. But I'm more fan of less paint, I will admit. And the background with that green at first didn't, you know, make a difference. Just have this, some of this greenery here, so I don't know. I was just, it was a thought, and it was not. But if you don't try, you don't know. So yeah, definitely a different one, and I'm pretty sure that I added more green than I normally do. So yeah, like the ones with less green more, but this one is beautiful too. It's just different. So tell me, what do you think? Do you like the ones with more paint, less paint? What do you think about this one? Or maybe you can suggest some color combination that you want me to try. Yeah, but I like it. It's a beautiful floral diptych painting, and it's so easy. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.